Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a Substack tutorial. First, navigate to the web browser and search for Substack. Now, click on the link to visit the official website. Substack is a popular platform that empowers writers to publish newsletters and build subscriber base with ease. It is building a new economic engine for culture by empowering writers to earn directly from their audience. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators. To get started, click the Start Publishing option in the top right corner. Then, enter your email address in the given tab. Make sure to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Next, click the Agree and Continue button. To set up your profile, enter your name and create a bio. You can also add a social account such as Instagram and click Continue. Create your publications and continue to the next step. Substack will help you build a mailing list, so upload a file or skip this step. Add your subscribers, choose your interest, and click the Let's Do This option. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to the home page. Complete the steps to complete the setup. Now, select the Turn on Page step. Then, click the Connect to Stripe button to connect if you want. If you want to get 10 subscribers, get them by using the given methods. Also, share your Substack's profiles and click Create Your First Post. To help your friends start a Substack, hit Add Referral button. Now, add a suitable title for your post and scroll down to get the instructions for editing. Start writing today anything you want. Once you are done, click the Preview option in the top right corner to preview it. You'll see how it looks as the first post and scroll down to preview it completely. Then, go back to the home page and click View Site at the top menu bar. After that, click the About option. You can subscribe to get full access to the newsletters and publication archive. On the right side, there is a chat section, so select the profile. Join the chat by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. Then, reach the On Substack chat and chat it if you want. Overall, Substack is worth it for writers seeking freedom, audience connection, and income. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.